Are you having trouble with the audio copyright content on your uploaded video? Or you have tried to remove it a lots of time before with a different way, but even though you were unsuccessful to remove the copyright notice from your video? Don't worry, today in this video I'm going to teach you how you can remove your audio copyright infringement notice without having any troubles within just few minutes, and more good thing is without having laptop or PC. It's a simply real and legal way to remove your copyright notice using your Android device. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashish, and before we get inside the video, please make sure that you have subscribed my channel, and if you haven't subscribed it yet, please do subscribe my channel right now. It's a free subscription guys. You just simply press the red subscriber button which is appear at the right side of this channel, and don't forget to tap the notification bell as well to get all notification about my new updates and videos. Let's get started with the video.